This guy didn't just eat food, he ate an entire airplane. Like what? His name was Michel Lotito. And yeah, his stomach was basically built different. As a kid, he accidentally ate glass, and instead of dying, he was like, kind of tasty. Turns out he had a rare condition where his body could digest metal, glass, basically anything except common sense. This dude casually ate 18 bicycles, 15 shopping carts, and even TVs like it was Netflix and chill snack time. And then one day he said, you know what? I'm bored. Let me eat a whole airplane. And he actually did it. Took him 2 years, but bro finished it like a side quest. And wait, when Guinness gave him an award, he ate the two.
Huh?